Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 6 October 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. Those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Okay, let's proceed towards today's session. This was our previous day question. Our first question was, who is appointed as new Labor Secretary of India? Hiralal Samaria, Apurva Chandra, Anil Kumar, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Apurva Chandra. Option B is correct here. Recently, Apurva Chandra is the new Labor Secretary of the Union Government. A 1988 batch IS officer recently appointed as the new Labor Secretary of India, and he replaced Hiralal Samaria. Our second question was, who has developed an artificial kit which gives results in 2 hours of testing of COVID-19, of coronavirus? ICMR, Reliance, CSIR, option D, Tata Group. The correct answer here is Reliance. Option B is correct here. Reliance Life Science has developed an RT-PCR kit that promises diagnosis of COVID-19 infection in about only 2 hours. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. Okay, let's see. Our first question was, when World Teachers Day is observed? 5 October, 4 October, 2nd October, option D, 5 September. Remember, in India, Teachers Day is observed in 5 September, but World Teacher Day is observed on 5th October. Option A is correct here. World Teacher Day is observed on 5 October every year, and it is observed since 1994. It is observed since 1994. Remember, and the theme of 2020 is Teachers Leading in Crisis, Remanaging the Future. Teachers Leading in Crisis, Remanaging the Future is the theme of 2020. Okay. Next question. In which month World Space Week is observed? September, October, November, December. The correct answer here is October. Option B is correct here. World Space Week is observed from October 4 to 10. Remember the date, it is observed from October 4 to 10. Okay. Every year it is celebrate to acknowledge the importance of science and technology and their contribution. Okay, and the theme of 2028, satellites improves life. Theme of 2020, remember, satellites improve lives. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who is appointed as CFO of SBI? CFO of SBI. CFO abbreviation is Chief Finance Officer. CEO, one is CEO, Chief Executive Officer. Okay, and CFO is Chief Finance Officer. Who is appointed as Chief Finance Officer of State Bank of India? Amitabh Chaudhary, Charanjit Singh Atra, Prashant Kumar, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option B, Charanjit Singh Atra. Recently, Charanjit Singh Atra is appointed as Chief Finance Officer from 1st October. Okay, this post is vacant when the Prashant Kumar was appointed as the CEO of Yes Bank. Remember, the CFO, the previously CFO is Prashant Kumar, but Prashant Kumar is appointed as the new CEO of Yes Bank. So this post is vacant, and recently it is achieved by Charanjit Singh Atra. You can see the image of Charanjit Singh Atra also here. Next question. Professor Pushpa Bhave passed away. She was later to which field? Journalism, social activist, economy, option D, defense. The correct answer here is veteran social activist. Veteran social activist Professor Pushpa Bhave recently passed away. She also known as Iron Lady of Mumbai. Remember, this question is very much important in obesity's point of view, because she is given the title Iron Lady of Mumbai. You can see the image of Professor Pushpa Bhave here, a very veteran social activist, also known as Iron Lady of Mumbai. Question number 5. Who won the Nobel Prize in Medicine 2020? Harvey J. Alter, Charles M. Rice, Michael Houghton. Option D, all of these, all of the above. The correct answer here is option D, all of the above. Recently, Nobel Prize in Physiology or the Medicine 2020 awarded jointly to Harvey J. Alter, Charles M. Rice, and Michael Houghton due to the discovery of hepatitis C virus. Due to the discovery of hepatitis C virus. Okay, you can see the image of the famous scientists, okay, who won the Nobel Prize in medicine in 2020. Okay, next question. Who has won the international shooting championship? Vishnu Shivraj Pandian, Etienne Garomont, Martin Strempel. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is India's Vishnu Shivraj Pandian. India's Vishnu Shivraj Pandian has won the 10 meter, remember it is the 10 meter rifle event at 5th edition of the International Online Shooting Championship, and Etienne got the second position and Martin got the third position in this competition or in this shooting championship. Okay, you can see the image of Vishnu Shivraj Pandian here. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who has launched a book titled Discovering the Heritage of Assam? Sarbanand Sonowal, Jitendra Singh, Jagdish Mukhi. Option D, Amit Shah. The correct answer here is option B, Jitendra Singh. Jitendra Singh, the Union Minister of State Development of North Eastern Region, recently released a coffee table book, Discovering the Heritage of Assam. Remember, the name of the book is Discovering the Heritage of Assam, and the writer of the book is Padampani Bora. Padampani Bora is the writer of the Discovering of the Heritage of Assam. You can see the image here, the launching of this book by Jitendra Singh, Union Minister Jitendra Singh. Question number 8. Who has launched a mini app store to support Indian developers? Flipkart, Vivo, Paytm. Option D, Amazon. Answer here is option C, Paytm. Recently, Paytm has launched a mini app store to support Indian developers. Here you can see the image of CEO of Paytm. CEO of Paytm is Vijay Shekhar Sharma. Vijay Shekhar Sharma is the CEO of Paytm. Here you can see the image of Vijay Shekhar Sharma, and the headquarters of the Paytm is situated in Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Noida, Uttar Pradesh, UP. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. Question number 9. Who chaired the 42nd GST Council meeting in New Delhi? Narendra Modi, Nirmala Sitharaman, Amit Shah. Option D, Girish Chandra Murmu, GC Murmu. The correct answer here is Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. Recently, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman chaired the 42nd GST Council meeting in New Delhi on October 5. It is held in October 5, yesterday. Okay. Next question. Politician Pradeep Maharathi recently passed away. He was from which state? Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha. Option D, West Bengal. The correct answer here is option C, Odisha. He belongs from Odisha. The veteran politician Pradeep Maharathi recently passed away. Okay, and he was the Odisha's minister and the BJD MLA from Pipili, from the Pipili constituency, and he recently passed away. And he tested positive in coronavirus since September 14, and recently passed away. Odisha is in news. The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Chief Minister is Mr. Naveen Patnaik, and Professor Ganeshi Lal is the governor of Odisha. Okay. Next question. Phulbagan station inaugurated by Railway Minister. It is in which state? West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh. Option D, Rajasthan. The correct answer here is West Bengal. Option A is correct here. Recently, the Railway Minister Piyush Goyal virtually inaugurated the Phulbagan station of Kolkata's East-West Metro Corridor. It is in Kolkata's West Bengal's, and the capital is Kolkata. Kolkata's East-West metro corridor. The station is located in. Okay. West Bengal is in news. The capital is Kolkata. Chief Minister is Mamata Banerjee, and Jagdeep Dhankar is the governor of West Bengal. Okay. Question number 12. Who has inaugurated the RAGE 2020 summit? Prakash Javadekar, Narendra Modi, Rajnath Singh. Option D, Smriti Irani. The correct answer here is Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Option B is correct here. Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the summit RAGE 2020 and responsible the artificial intelligence for social empowerment 2020 on 5 October 2020. Okay, it is for the responsible the artificial intelligence. It is the summit is based on artificial intelligence. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. This is our question of the day, and you have to give the answer in our comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our next session or upcoming session. Our first question is, India's first vulture conservation center is going to be established in which state? Our second question is, a cyber safety awareness campaign is started in which state? Please try to answer more and more in comment section. Thereby regular practice is done by you. If you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related group, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you like the session. Okay, thank you for watching this session. If you first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Thank you. Have a great day.